Hello everyone, Liliana from Vanillandcanela here. Welcome back to my channel. So I asked you guys a question on my community tab whether or not you would like to see a Q&A from me. I haven't done one in ages, so I thought I'll leave it up to you. If you guys want to ask me some stuff, you can. So today there is no normal video. It is actually a request for you guys to ask me whatever you want. What do you want to know? I have done 2 Q&As before and I will link them above for you to see if you want. But otherwise, just ask me anything. Anything at all in the description, not the description, the comments down below. Now, I will answer all the questions on Sunday, and on Thursday there'll be a normal video for you, just to give you all time to ask me whatever you want. Do you want to know stuff about the move? Do you want to know personal stuff about me? Whatever. Ask me in the comments. Thank you guys, and I'll see you on Thursday. Bye.